Hello everyone, welcome to another podcast show where we have another powerful speaker or guest with us. And the person that I'm going to introduce to you, she's an NLP mentor for coaches and trainers. And in today's world, mindset reprogramming is one of the most important things that we need to learn, because the only limit that you can ever be in your dream life is just your belief, just your thought pattern. So introducing you to none other than Dr. Harpreet Kaur. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here in this show. She's an NLP coach for coaches and trainers. And starting with the first question, I wanted to ask you that, what was the incidence in your life or the turning point in your life where you realized that, I want to help people. I want to help people out there with mindset reprogramming, with changing their life. So what inspired you to start on this?
From my very childhood, I had the personality of being a social reformer. I was a very different child, because right from the childhood I wanted to help people in every way I could. And since I wanted to help everyone, in my education also, I took sciences in 11th and 12th, and suddenly I took psychology in my graduation and in my master's, because I felt that they had everything with them. They were talented, they were creative, they had all the resources, yet they were very unhappy because they did not know how to deal with their own emotions. So I found that the greatest obstruction to their success was their own mind and their own emotions. And in the very beginning, in the very early years of my life, during my education, I decided that I would become a freelancer one day, conduct trainings for people and empower people. So it's in my blood actually.
We can see and feel it through every single word that you're speaking. So I want to first thank you and acknowledge you for the work that you're doing, because it's not easy to help people with what you are dealing with. So my next question to you is, since we are talking about mindset, mental health is one of the very important topics these days. We compare each other. We have so many people who judge, criticize, and it becomes very, especially for introverts, even if I talk about extroverts, it's not easy to deal with your mental health. So what advice would you like to give to the people on mental health, and why should they care about it?
Well, mental health is the most neglected, yet I feel it is something that we should pay attention to. Nowadays, people are aware of everything, yet they are struggling with mental health. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everything is filled with mental health. Reels, there are videos. Yet why so much of problem? Because just looking at the videos does not help. That is only the awareness stage. We need a systematic approach. We need a skill set. We need a lot of practice. We need a lot of repetition, as well as the environment that can help us transform. And since I've been into a lot of research, and since I'm a psychologist, in the last 20 years, people have not died from AIDS, people have not died from heart attack as much as people have died from depression and anxiety. How? Indirectly, all the diseases that you see nowadays, they are psychosomatic, because every wrong thought that we take turns into a toxic emotion, and that emotion settles in every cell of our body. And this very small awareness and the very fact that you know that your negative thinking is just not negative thinking, it means a lot of health challenges in the future to come, prevents you and helps you empower yourself. All the more when you acknowledge the problem, you go and you try solving that problem. But unfortunately, for the very small 1% of the people has become aware. What about the 99%? They are not aware of their emotions. They are not aware how to deal with their own overthinking patterns. As a result, it is very important that we as coaches, we as empowered people of the society, act as channels of transformation. So there is a dire need to create an army of leaders, an army of coaches, and especially NLP coaches, because the day I trained myself in neuro-linguistic programming, that very day my transformation became so rapid, something that took me years to transform. Literally, the transformation of 2 years was like in 2 days. So it is so powerful. So I suggest, and I really, really, really want everyone, every coach, every healer, every professional, every housewife to incorporate NLP techniques, NLP strategies, NLP tools in their everyday life. They will become free from their triggers. They can actually, you can install anchors, you can install your own habits, and you can design a beautiful future, and you don't even know how much of power you hold. So I would like to say that there is an excuse blueprint in your mind. So you forego the excuse blueprint, which I have done, and now I have a very, very success blueprint installed in my unconscious. And I help my coaches, I help my trainers, and I also do one-on-one, and I have massive transformations to share. Rather, my transformations have been so rapid that sometimes even I get so astonished that how come NLP works so fast.
That's super awesome. Thank you so much for explaining in such a detailed way, and I truly resonate with every word that you are saying. But here I have a question. A lot of times when we, as life coaches, as mindset coaches, when we are empowering people out there, we know its value, but a lot of people do not value it. They think isse kya fayda hoga humko, who cares about it? I do not have time for all of this. So in such objections, how do you deal with, or to all the people who have these doubts that ye to time waste hai, what would you like to suggest them?
So in that case, what I do is, people whom I interact, since I know hypnosis, I know hypnotic language that I've learned through my NLP techniques. So the very first meeting, we know how to influence and impact and install the readiness and the openness in the mind of the participants. And in the very first interaction, we are equipped with the skill set, and we can actually demonstrate to them within few minutes the freedom from their long year emotional baggage. So that helps them gain trust on us. And so it is after we use NLP techniques, it has become much, much easier. And now we don't have to convince, because I myself when I started with my mentor, within 2 minutes, I got rid of my phobia that I was holding for last 2 to 3 years. And that was miraculous and magical. And that was the turning point in my life when I decided that I am going to learn this, and I'm going to teach every human on this planet to become empowered, so that our children do not suffer that much. Because children nowadays are undergoing so much of stress, so much of trauma, and the statistics are showing in the next 3 years, it is going to be a pandemic. Depression is going to be an epidemic, and pandemic much more severe than COVID. So, lot of research says that things are going to be very hard. So as parents, we have to become very, very empowered. Every parent should empower themselves with NLP techniques so that you can raise empowered children. In the world of distractions, the very fact you can focus yourself, you can focus your attention on something fruitful and achieve your dreams, saves you from so much of guilt and shame. And you know what is the most the basic thing that people are suffering from? If you ask them, they say overthinking. And what is overthinking? Overthinking is suffering from shame and guilt, because your conscious mind wants something else and your unconscious mind wants something else. So you are divided into parts. There is always a conflict, and there is so much of pain and suffering in your inside world. And the worst is you don't even share it with anyone. So once you become peaceful with your own self, the life becomes very beautiful, and every moment is to be rejoiced. And when it comes to paying the cost, can't you pay a few minutes? Can't you pay little some amount of energy and some amount of energy exchange in terms of money to get happiness, which is invaluable happiness.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. So, my next question would be, if anybody wants to connect with you, they want to join your program, or they just want to join your NLP training, then what's the way forward?
So I have a beautiful community of people wherein I empower people in emotional mastery. I train the trainers, and then I have one-on-one coaching sessions wherein I provide therapies to people who are struggling with self-doubt and past traumas. And you can connect to me via my WhatsApp group, and I have my Instagram and YouTube links given in the description, and then you can just connect with me, and I'll be very happy to help you.
Awesome. So make sure everyone that you connect with her, because she is going to help you change your life completely in terms of mindset. And thank you so much, Harpreet ma'am, for having so much of knowledge and wisdom inside you.
Thank you so much, Gagi, for inviting me to your podcast.
Awesome. Thank you.